In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the gas tank straps on your Cadillac Escalade located underneath your vehicle. Now we're underneath the vehicle. You're probably using a jack and some jack stands. Now at this point here, we are using a gas tank jack to go ahead and do this job. Now if you don't have one of these here, you can use a regular floor jack, and you want to cut out maybe a piece of plywood to fit the bottom of this tank in the center. It could be maybe a 12 by 12 or 15 by 15 size piece of plywood, and just jack it up. And you want to put just a little bit of pressure just to support the tank. We're not lifting the vehicle, and you're not going to be lowering the tank down. We just want to go ahead and support it in place. So go ahead and raise this up. Put a little bit of pressure on that. Jack is solid, and we're good to go. With our tank supported, we're going to go ahead and start working on the rear strap first. I'm going to use a 15mm socket with a couple extensions to go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt. As you can see, a lot of debris has fallen down. Wise choice to be wearing safety glasses when doing a job like this. Now on the other side of the strap, it's actually locked into the frame right here. So you want to go ahead and take that strap, wiggle it up, pull that out like so, and then lower it down. Now before we install our strap, you want to go ahead and make sure that the bottom side of the tank is clean. You want to go ahead and just wipe down the bottom of the tank and clean off any debris that could cause additional friction between the new strap and the tank itself. Bring the strap into place, line that up and drop it down and in. Once this is in, we could bring up the strap to the other side. We're going to bring our strap up, line that up. Now we did go ahead and apply some anti-seize compound to the threads on the bolt. If you're in the northeast region where we get a lot of salt and snow, in the future, that is going to be a saving grace removing this bolt. Go ahead and get that bolt started, and then we'll go ahead and tighten that down. Now that we have this strap installed, let's go ahead and do the front one. I'm going to go ahead and remove the bolt here from the front strap. Now on the other side, let's go ahead and lift up on this, slide this out of the bracket, and drop the strap out. Before installing the new strap, go ahead and clean the surface where the strap will be making contact with the tank. Now we can go ahead and install our strap. Feed this up and in, drop it into place. Now we'll go ahead and bring our strap up, push it up into place. We're going to put our bolt up and in, and go ahead and start getting it threaded in. Now let's go ahead and tighten down this bolt. Now that we have both straps installed and secured into place, we can now go ahead and remove our jack.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.